Welcome to the training video. In this video, we will explore the different options available in the menu bar and what all can be done with it. So this is the HyperTest dashboard where you can see all your test suites, and this is where you can start a new test from. But there are also quite a few other interesting options available in the menu bar. Let's have a look. Let's start by looking at all test cases. HyperTest automatically generates these test cases from network traffic. It has an option where you can view which all test cases have been generated for you. There are a lot of options available on the left-hand side to search, filter, and sort these test cases, and these are nicely paginated. Let's go back to the dashboard. Coming to the next option, let's look at settings. So in this video, we will quickly explain the different options available, and there are separate videos which go into details of every option as well. Now, let's look at settings. The settings options has service config, middleware, manual assertions, temporary and permanent roles. Service config is the place where we can actually configure the different settings for which service you've set up HyperTest for. In this case, for example, the name of the service test is Bean Cache, and there are several different options available here to go through and complete the settings. Now, within settings, the next option that we've got is called middleware. These are essentially customized functions that you write inside HyperTest to take care of non-idempotent requests or other functional level configurations that will help you run test cases without a problem. Next, let's move to manual assertions. HyperTest automatically generates all the assertions, but there is also an option to generate assertions manually. This is the tab where you can actually go and see them as a table, the kind and the number of manual assertions generated for your test suites. Then, there's something called temporary and permanent rules. These are basically rules that will help you ignore certain kinds of regression permanently or on a temporary basis. Next, we've got the bug tracker. This is where you keep a track of all open issues that you've reported with your test automation. Under the license section, this is where you can essentially check if you're operating on the updated license. There's also an option here available where you can directly update the HyperTest app to the latest version. Hope you were able to understand the video. If you need any help, reach out to us from this button right here, and we'd be happy to help.